BMWs are fast. BMWs are luxurious. BMWs are iconic. For decades, BMW has built its entire identity around one powerful idea: the ultimate driving machine. It's not just a slogan, it's a philosophy. BMW cars are designed to feel alive in your hands. The steering talks to you. The chassis responds instantly. The engine feels eager, not lazy. Even when you're driving slowly, a BMW never feels boring. Because here's the thing, BMW can build reliable cars. They always have. The problem is that not all BMWs are engineered with the same priorities. Second, to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We don't sugarcoat things here. We talk about number 10, BMW E46 330i, 2003-2006. Starting our list at number 10 is a BMW that many enthusiasts still consider the gold standard. The BMW E46 330i, especially the 2003 to 2006 facelift models. Yes, it's old. Yes, it lacks modern tech. And yes, younger buyers may overlook it. But let me tell you something important. BMW has never fully recreated the magic of the E46. This generation represents a time when BMW prioritized balance over complexity, when engines were naturally aspirated, when electronics were minimal, when mechanical integrity came first. Under the hood is the legendary M54 3.0-liter, naturally aspirated inline-six. This engine isn't just reliable, it's one of the smoothest six-cylinder engines BMW ever built. Throttle response is instant, power delivery is linear, and the sound, pure BMW. Why is the E46 330i so reliable? Because it avoids almost everything that causes modern BMW problems. No turbochargers, no high-pressure fuel systems, minimal electronics, simple drivetrain, proven materials. Most well-maintained examples easily exceed 200,000 miles. Many go beyond 300,000 miles with proper care. The common issues are well known: cooling system plastics, valve cover gasket leaks, rubber hose aging. But here's the key difference. These are predictable failures, not catastrophic ones. Parts are cheap, labor is straightforward, knowledge is everywhere. You can buy a clean example for $8,000 to $15,000, which makes this one of the best reliability per dollar BMWs ever made. If you want the pure BMW experience, the way it was meant to be, this is it. Number 9, BMW Z4, 2019-2023. At number 9 is a modern BMW that proves the brand hasn't forgotten how to build dependable cars. The BMW Z4, specifically the 2019 to 2023 generation. This Z4 was built with focus. BMW stripped away unnecessary gimmicks and concentrated on the fundamentals: balance, power, and durability. You get two excellent engine choices: xDrive 30i, B48 2.0L turbo, M40i, B58 3.0L turbo inline-six. The B58 engine in particular deserves respect. It's widely considered one of the most reliable turbocharged engines BMW has ever produced. Why does the Z4 score so well in reliability? Lightweight platform, strong cooling system, well-tuned turbocharging, fewer electronic failures. Owners consistently report low oil consumption, stable performance, and minimal unexpected repairs. Yes, used prices sit between $35,000 and $55,000, but you're buying peace of mind. This is a car you can enjoy without constantly thinking about what might break next. Number 8, BMW 740i. At number 8 is a car that surprises many buyers, the BMW 740i. Luxury sedans usually mean complexity, more screens, more motors, more things that can fail. Historically, the 7 Series was infamous for expensive ownership, but the modern 740i changed everything. BMW made a smart decision. Instead of using a V8, they installed the B58 3.0L turbo inline-six. That single decision dramatically improved reliability. The 740i delivers silky smooth acceleration, ultra-quiet cruising, exceptional long-distance comfort, strong mechanical durability. When properly maintained, this car is stable, predictable, far less problematic than older. 7 Series used prices range from $50,000 to $70,000, which sounds expensive until you realize what you're getting. This is flagship luxury without flagship headaches. Number 7, BMW X5 xDrive 40i, 2020-2023. At number 7 is one of BMW's most trusted modern SUVs, the X5 xDrive 40i. Earlier X5 generations were powerful but problematic. BMW learned from those mistakes. The 2020 to 2023 models are different. Why? Improved electronics, better suspension engineering, refined software, and once again, the B58 engine. This SUV delivers smooth, effortless power, comfort on long trips, strong towing capability, excellent resale value. Yes, you should inspect oil seals, service history, and suspension components. But overall, this is one of BMW's safest SUV purchases. Used prices range from $45,000 to $65,000. If you want luxury, space, and reliability in one package, the X5 xDrive 40i delivers. Number 6, BMW X3 xDrive 30i, 2018-2023. At number 6 is one of BMW's most sensible vehicles, the X3 xDrive 30i. This SUV doesn't chase extremes. It doesn't try to be an M car. Instead, it focuses on balance and longevity. Powered by the B48 2.0 turbo inline-4, the X3 offers excellent fuel economy, smooth power delivery, lower maintenance costs. Most owners report very few mechanical failures, stable electronics, predictable wear items. The cooling system plastics may wear over time, but again, these are manageable. Used prices range from $30,000 to $50,000, making it one of the best family BMWs you can buy. Number 5, BMW 228i Gran Coupe, 2020-2023. At number 5 is a BMW many people underestimate, the 228i Gran Coupe. This car proves that BMW reliability isn't reserved for expensive models. Powered by the B48 engine, it delivers modern styling, good fuel efficiency, reasonable maintenance costs. Used prices range from $22,000 to $35,000. This is the perfect entry-level BMW. Young professionals, students, first-time luxury buyers. It's not flashy, but it's dependable. And that matters more than most people realize. Number 4, BMW 530i, 2017 to 2022. At number 4 is the BMW 530i, one of BMW's most balanced executive sedans. This car delivers comfort without excess, performance without risk, luxury without drama. Powered by the B48 engine, it avoids the complexity of larger engines while still feeling premium. Used prices range from $28,000 to $45,000. For professionals, commuters, and long-distance drivers, this is one of BMW's smartest purchases. An ideal BMW for professionals who commute daily long-distance drivers, who value comfort buyers, who want luxury without mechanical headaches. If you want a BMW that simply works day after day, the 530i is one of the smartest purchases you can make. Number 3, BMW 128ti M135 and xDrive 2020-2023. At number 3 is a hidden performance gem, the BMW 128ti and M130i xDrive. These cars prove you don't need rear-wheel drive to have fun. Powered by tuned B48 engines, they produce up to 302 horsepower while remaining reliable. Built on the UKL platform, these cars are mechanically simpler, easier to maintain, less failure-prone. Minor software issues were fixed early. These cars are fast, practical, and confident in all weather conditions thanks to xDrive. They're also easier to live with daily than traditional performance BMWs. This is the perfect blend of performance, practicality, modern reliability. If you want something fun without stepping into expensive repair territory, this is a very smart choice. Number 2, BMW 330i G20, 2019 to 2023. At number 2 is the BMW 330i G20, one of the most dependable modern BMWs ever built. Powered by the improved B48 engine, it delivers 255 horsepower, excellent fuel efficiency, long-term durability. Used prices range from $25,000 to $40,000. For For daily driving, this car is nearly unbeatable. It's comfortable in traffic, fun on back roads, and efficient enough for long commutes. Most importantly, it doesn't punish you with constant repairs. If you want a BMW you can confidently drive every day, this is it. Number 1. BMW M340i, 2020-2023. And now, the king. The BMW M340i is the most reliable BMW you can buy in 2025. Powered by the legendary B58 engine, it produces 382 horsepower while remaining shockingly dependable. Owners report minimal failures, strong reliability, and incredible performance. Used prices range from $30,000 to $55,000. This car does everything: performance, comfort, reliability. Final BMW ownership advice: use OEM parts, avoid extreme tuning, change oil on time, monitor cooling systems. BMWs aren't perfect, but these 10 come very close. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.